Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Another monsoon favorite of mine, we're doing Aloo Bhajiya today, but with a twist. So for my Aloo Bhajiya, what I've done is I have sliced my potatoes, not very thin, not very thick, and I soaked these in salted water for about half an hour. Next step is I've got some lasan chutney, the recipe of which you will find in one of my previous videos. So I take my lasan ka chutney, I coat my potato with the lasan chutney, take another piece of potato and sandwich this. So we get all our potatoes prepared like this for our bhajiya. We have to make our batter next. So for that I have my besan ka atta. To that I have rice flour, some red chili powder, salt. Don't add too much salt because our potatoes were soaked in salt water. We don't want the salt being too much. Little haldi powder, some jeera powder and some ajwain. I'm going to add in some water to make a batter. We don't want the batter too thin. I'm mixing this with a whisk to ensure it's lump free. Now it's time to make our bhajiyas. I'm coating the potato pieces in my besan ka batter and I'm deep frying. Our bhajiyas are fried golden brown. I'm going to remove these on a kitchen towel to drain out the excess oil. Our potato lasan bhajiyas are ready. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.